I am Gloria Bolaño Gloria. I am 50 years old. I am studying psychology. What are you like? I am responsible and reliable person. Para I tend to be strict with Michelle. Sometimes makes me stubborn and less tolerant. I would like to be more flexible, Michelle, and other people. This way I will be more liked and happy. Frontiers. My frontier. This is built with high fence. He has a smart garden. I like my plants, its colors. Why I dislike that the sun is strong in the afternoon. This is dangerous for my plants. Kitchen. My kitchen is small and nice. Most of it is great. Not I hate a new fridge, a new freezer, and love the place where I prepare my favorite recipes. Dining room. The last place in my house, the dining room. It has the table with seats, bed, and black chairs. A little like the seats preferred is smaller. What I like about my dining room is it black mirror gift from my husband. Next vacation, I will go to Cartagena. I am going to in November. I will stay in the Cameron Hotel first day. I going to visit the aquarium and make a tour in the city. Muchas gracias por su atención y disculpen este inglés que no es como muy tan bueno. Muchas gracias.